English Just.
Lost bag at bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the Lost and Found office?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I think I left my backpack on the bus.
When did this happen?
About an hour ago.
Can you describe the backpack?
It is black with red stripes.
Was there anything valuable inside?
Yes, my laptop, books, and house keys.
Do you remember the bus number?
Yes, it was bus 25.
That's helpful. Let me check our records.
Thank you. I hope someone found it.
One moment, please.
Sure.
Good news. A driver turned in a backpack about 30 minutes ago.
Really? That's wonderful.
Can you tell me what is inside to confirm it is yours?
There is a blue notebook, a silver laptop, and a water bottle.
Everything matches.
I am so relieved.
Please sign this form before I return it.
Of course.
Here is your backpack.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Please check that everything is inside.
Yes, everything is here.
Great. Have a safe day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
At the police station.
Good afternoon, officer. I need to report a lost phone.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it this afternoon.
Where were you when you last used it?
I was at the shopping mall.
Do you remember the last place you saw it?
Yes, I used it at a coffee shop.
Did you go back and check there?
Yes, but they could not find it.
I see. Can you describe your phone?
It is a white smartphone with a pink case.
Do you know the phone's brand and model?
Yes, it is a Samsung Galaxy.
Was there anything important on the phone?
Yes, my photos, contacts, and work file.
Was the phone protected with a password?
Yes, it has a fingerprint lock.
That's good. It will help protect your information.
I hope no one can use it.
We will file a lost phone report for you.
Thank you. I was very worried.
Do you know your phone number?
Yes, I wrote it down here.
Thank you. This information will help us.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, contact your mobile service provider and block the SIM card.
I will do that today.
Here's a copy of your report.
Thank you for your help, officer.
You're welcome. We will contact you if we receive any information.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
In the taxi.
Hello, could you take me to the airport, please?
Of course. Please get in.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
I hope we get there on time.
Don't worry, I'll take the fastest route.
That's good to hear.
Do you have a flight today?
Yes, my flight leaves at 4 p.m.
Then we have plenty of time.
That's a relief.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
I'm going on vacation with my family.
That sounds exciting. Where are you going?
We're going to Hawaii for a week.
I've heard the beaches there are beautiful.
I can't wait to see them.
Is this your first time visiting?
Yes, it is.
I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time.
I hope so.
We're almost at the airport now.
Great. Thank you for the smooth ride.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
It is $28.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is complete.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Have a safe flight.
At the car wash.
Good morning. I'd like to get my car washed.
Good morning. We'd be happy to help. What kind of wash would you like?
What options do you have?
We have a basic wash, a deluxe wash, and a full-service wash.
What is included in the full service wash?
We wash the outside, clean the inside, vacuum the seats, and polish the tires.
That sounds great. I'll take the full service wash.
Excellent choice. It will take about 30 minutes.
That's fine. I'll wait here.
Would you like a free coffee while you wait?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Your car will be ready soon.
I hope they can remove the mud from the wheels.
Don't worry, we'll clean every part of the car.
I drove through a muddy road yesterday.
That explains why the car is so dirty.
I haven't washed it in almost a month.
It will look like new when we're finished.
That would be wonderful.
Your car is ready now.
Wow, it looks so clean and shiny.
We also clean the windows inside and out.
I really appreciate your hard work.
Thank you. We're glad you're happy with the service.
How much do I owe you?
The total is $25.
Here is my card.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. I'll definitely come back again.
We look forward to seeing you again. Have a safe drive.